Okay, so here is a next program, and it says without using any string method, try to print the following 1 2 3 up to n. So basically we'll have to print the string of 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see a sample input is 3, the output is 1 2 3. So it is basically we'll have to print a string of the numbers. So let's begin. What we're gonna do is let's take it into the list first, whatever input we have. So it will be like for I n, and let's go to the range. Let's begin with 1 comma n plus 1, because we have to go up to the end, so we'll have to move one step further. And this particular line, this is called as a list comprehension. That's what I have used. Now I have got all the values in this list, so now I will have to print it. So again I will use list comprehension, and here let's quickly print I for I in x. Okay, let's try to run the code. There's an error. It said that it has to be in a string, but it is currently printing it as a list. So we have a concept in print statement that we can end it with double quote. That means it has to be a string. So we made it as a string. Now let's see. Voila, it ran successfully, and let's try to submit the code. Oh, all set. So that's how you can create this print function.